What we have here is the iQ360XT. This is our flagship. This was our first production model. This saw is very portable. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the cart that it comes with. This is what we call the transport position, or you can get down on your knees and cut with. But we're going to roll it over here and put it on the tailgate where we have our power source. Now we're going to move it over to the truck where our power source is. See, we have our 20 amp plug here.
So I'm looking at the iQ360 and I'm taking a little trip down memory lane. Obviously we bought one of the first ones with the original yellow motor, but we used it for pavers, we used it for a lot of things, but there was one area that we found it to just be amazing, and that was interior work as far as veneer stone.
Right.
So what's some of the beauties of that?
Some of the fireplace guys, that was the business I was in. If I'd had this saw, I'd probably still be doing them, because I didn't have to climb down a scaffold, go outside and make a cut, come back in, climb back up. Or if you're up and you cut a piece and you throw it down to a helper, they cut on the wrong side of the line, they bring it back, and now the stone's wrong. So you're back and forth. By the portability of having it on the job site, right next to you, by your material,
on the scaffolding.
On the scaffolding makes it so imperative. And because of the lightweight, it's easy to move. You can take a rope and pull it up, and then secure it on the scaffold, and you're just, it's money.
Yeah, it is an amazing piece. So I'm noticing obviously the little turn unit, and every 30 minutes.
Every 30 minutes of cut time, you want to clean the filter. And this is how you clean the filter. You have to count to 3. That's the hard part.
So 3 turns.
3 turns. That agitates the filter, drops all the dust down in the containment. And we'll put this on here just as a reminder.
And then obviously the 2 buckles on the side.
Right. Pop it off. That's your containment. You can put a bag in there so you could bag it and throw it away if you wanted to, just a contractor bag. This is one of the filters. This is actually one of our tune-up kits for the 362, but the filters are the same. This is the agitator tab. You get new ones with it. And what they do is they simply spin through and agitate the pleats and let all the dust fall out into the containment.
How often should I be replacing a filter?
Annually. And that's assuming you're using it, 4 to 5 hours per day. Most places, like up here in the north where you have seasons where you're not using it, you could go 2 years.
How about wet weather, rainy weather? How do the saws perform like that?
Well, typically you don't want to be in the weather because, just put up a tent and keep your operator safe. That's the main thing. But they'll function just fine. But with the damp weather, sometimes you'll have a little more. You have to clean it a little more. It can.
That's what I was wondering about pertaining to the filter.
Yeah, it'll take
as far as the moisture,
a little bit of
dampness.
life in it because it'll suck it up and hold it in there.
Okay.
But it's fine.
Very good. You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
Or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.